Hi, I'm Hovhannes Margarian with the Margarian Law Firm, where we handle exclusively lemon law and dealer fraud cases. Today we're inspecting this 2020 Land Rover Evoque First Edition. This vehicle was leased by our client and is nearing the end of the lease in the coming months. This vehicle has exhibited 3 primary defects, one involving the steering wheel, second one involving the engine, and the third involving the brakes. With that said, we're going to proceed with our actual inspection of this vehicle. So we're going to continue our inspection of this 2020 Land Rover Evoque. It is very important for us to inspect underneath the vehicle because a lot of things could come up as surprises down the road during the litigation, and we don't like surprises. We like to be ahead of the game and know everything about the cars that are involved in our cases. So we're going to go underneath and check things out. So most vehicles, again, have a cover that should be intact unless the client has crashed the vehicle. We don't touch anything. It's important to specify that our inspections are visual, purely visual. We just make notes of everything we see underneath the car and in the car for purposes of the lawsuit, but we do not alter or touch the cars.